They're on it.
What?
Oh my god! What's up guys? Today I'm going to be giving you guys some minigun gameplay. I'm not going to lie, this gun is fire. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right.
Y'all not real homeboys if y'all haven't fallen asleep together on accident.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Kawaii shark girl, good luck.
Oh my god. E-girl. E-girl.
Go for it.
No,
No,
I don't.
but I'm here.
So much you. Mikey, come your way. Mikey! Vanishing. I'm vanished.
Finishing?
Vanished.
Yo.
Oh my god.
When
got
did the
one.
fucking...
Mikey's fault, not mine.
Mike.
LeBron.
They're up top. They're all the way up there.
I have a bow check.
They're like,
Ow.
oh,
I think they like me. In my white tee. LeBron!
yeah, I just LeBron this guy.
Now they're back on. Josh, you have no HP by the way.
Yeah, I think I know that.
Just so you know. Where
My
the
God.
guys?
Yo, what the hell is that?
The bombs,
Where
they,
even are they?
yeah, whenever they die, they drop bombs. Somebody steal it. Don't die though.
Oh, fuck.
He's up top, I think.
Yeah, I almost did.
I'm on the. He's going. He's invis. Oh my gosh! I one tapped the invis guy.
Very nice.
Is that one
Please steal
stealing?
that, Johnson.
Be a good kid.
Oh, the heavy's coming.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Alive. I got it.
Good job, dude. That's epic.
Hit myself tomorrow.
Okay, they're all up.
No time, boys.
Well, damn.
I'm on bow check
Oh!
demon, guys. Good stuff, Josh.
Uh oh, the wall of goose coming.
The goon wall.
The wall of goon.
The wall of goon.
Too far, bro.
The wall of children.
What? They are
They're gonna be
hurting.
hurting and they feel this.
Yo, what are these? Healing?
Yeah, they added those.
Oh,
recently. Oh, I blew one up.
loaded.
LeBron!
Oh wait, there's orange and it's just pink up somewhere.
What the? Oh, I'm dead.
Boom. All right, you got this, Johnson.
What?
Oh, they're coming.
Where?
They're beneath.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, one's on me. I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead. I have no HP. Boys, I can't help right now.
Okay, we got one. Guys. I'm using a coin.
I'm dead.
Holy.
Nice.
Oh, we still made it.
Oh my god, the whole team fell down.
Oh, wait, I'm res. Qualified, ho.
They're up top.
I am as well. Going to assert dominance.
What the hell?
Rookie?
Same. Here.
Oh, they...
Oh,
my
the.
God.
Who even is shooting me?
Boom.
Yes, mow him down. Idiota.
Where the money at? Where get that money?
Below us. So they're here.
Fuck,
Pull
yeah.
them.
Go activity.
Oh my gosh. Dead. One more. One more.
What the fuck did I just get hit by? There's a fucking nade.
People are here. I reckon.
I have the most goated hiding spot. I am. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh, there we go.
There you go, man.
The high notes are re-entering the arena.
They're coming. They're on it.
What?
Oh my god, give me that triple kill.
What's up, Josh?
Oh shit, I didn't mean to. Oopsie. Well, I'm back, guys.
Welcome back, I guess. One got res. Dead. Oh my gosh, it's hard, bro. So annoying.
There we go. Good res. Alright, let's get this money, bro.
Sucking egg.
Imagine I make that.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit was gross.
I was trying to see it.
Imagine someone steals that.
Fuck.
Oh, right there, they're all
me.
three!
Eating egg.
Oh fuck.
Holy shit, I'm almost there. I made it.
I keep forgetting to put down my turret. It's been so long since I
One
played
HP on one,
this.
1 HP on one. Legit one.
Thank you, brother.
Gotcha.
They're stealing.
Why is someone flying orange here?
Okay, that guy's one right there.
Yeah, more. Orange is coming, guys. Full orange team on here, everybody.
Yep, you're right.
I know I. Oh, it's so annoying. Have HP on one. Dead. 2 dead.
Oh shit.
Bro, we literally just lost. Crazy.
Oh my god.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into